Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited because this is actually my very first YouTube video, and today we're going to be styling my new Ikea Milsbo cabinet that I just got a couple of days ago. I'm just going to be putting a couple of the plants that I currently have in my collection that need a little bit more light and humidity into this cabinet. So most of them are in my Akbar case currently right here, or they're sitting here in on my windowsill. So I'm hoping to get them in a little bit better setup that's more aesthetically appealing. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm actually going to give you a tour first of the plants that I'm going to be putting in there, just so you can see how I have them set up currently, as opposed to what they're going to look like when we're all done with this cabinet. The majority of the plants that I want to go inside my Milsbo are right here. You can see I have this poor little struggling heartleaf fern. I have my philodendron pink princess in there, what's left of it. This thing has been a struggle. I've had this since 2019, and it was a really beautiful specimen when I first got it. But now it grew up, it lost all its leaves, and then I had to cut it back to just two little sticks, and basically it's just now recovering from that. I also have a begonia down there. I'm not really a big begonia collector, but that one was cute. And I was like, why not? Let me just try it. Try my hand at it. This is a philodendron sancti. This is one of the pups that was in my bigger plant that just got root rot from being in pon. This one is also in pon, but it's doing a little bit better in this cabinet. So I'm going to put both of them into that Milsbo. This one down here, I cannot remember what the name of that one is that's underneath there, but I will put the name on the screen. That little clip cutting down there is part of a painted lady that's trying to root. This is just some cuttings that I actually put a Hoya in that I just got, and it had root rot, so I was really disappointed about that. I only paid $10 for it, but still, I wanted a live plant. Anyways, not going to go into that. So sitting up here is my another Hoya that's in struggle mode. This is my begonia that's coming back from basically sticks as well. Here's some variegated string of hearts. So this is my black pagoda lipstick plant. Sitting next to that is my string of arrowhead. I have regular string of hearts. This is a cutting of my Hoya obovata. The mother plant is downstairs with the majority of my Hoyas. And then I have another Hoya here. This is what's left of my Hoya curtisii. I struggle so hard with these plants. And then I have this is just another cutting of my variegated string of hearts. I am so terrified that I'm going to kill them. But since I have potted them into this mother's soil, they've been doing much better. As you can see, these right here are getting some variegation on them, the pink variegation that I really like. These are as well. The backs are more pink than the fronts are right now. But we also have my Monstera Peru down here that's going to go in the cabinet. That's my variegated lipstick plant that's going to go in there. And right down here is a little tiny dot block pup that I'm going to put in there as well. Hopefully it will grow big and tall, just like its mother plant, which is sitting right here in front of the window. This is my newest leaf on there. I'm just sighing because this plant hates me. I have not figured out how to take care of this thing, so I'm going to put it in this cabinet and it better live. And this is my jade tree. I cut it up this summer because it was getting so leggy, just like this one, because I didn't have it in high enough light situation. So as you can see, it's still surviving. It's growing leaves back, and hopefully now when I put it into this cabinet, it'll grow more compact like I wanted it to. This is my burro's tail. It just keeps losing leaves. So I'm going to put it in the cabinet as well and not touch it or look at it ever again or breathe too hard. And as you can see, these are just some pieces that have fallen off of there, and I just throw them into this little terracotta pot down here to ensure that I have some cuttings just in case the mother plant doesn't live. And then I also have quite a few. I have like 4 different carnivorous plants. This one is the Drosera intermedia rorama. Anyways, I can't say that. I got it from predatoryplants.com. And this one is a Drosera capanesis red. I don't know. Here. And then I can't reach him. Oh, and I have a string of pearls down here that's in struggle mode. Hopefully putting them in the cabinet will help. This carnivorous plant is called Drosera natalensis. Drosera natalensis. And the last carnivorous plant that I have is this Drosera spatulata tamlin. Hopefully I didn't butcher that too bad. Okay, so now that I've shown you most of the plants that I want to go inside of the cabinet, I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through the process of me styling it, styling the cabinet, and then we'll see how it turns out. Okay, everybody, here's the finished product. Hopefully my plants will have the lighting and humidity they need to thrive in this cabinet. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.